train coming. Right down there, Stouffville Express. MP40PH3C. Here it comes. Oh, this guy's flying. Here he comes. Via rail, P42DC coming in.
Yeah, it's a beaver.
Oh, that scared me.
Attention westbound passengers traveling towards Union Station. The 556 train is currently running 6 minutes behind schedule. Just a reminder that
919. There's another train coming.
once again the 556 train
Another train coming.
is running about 57.
This is eastbound, and now it looks like a westbound local's coming. Westbound. Express? Yo, he's express! He's not stopping! Yeah! Here he comes! YOLO! Whoa! Oh my god! 640! Oh my god! And here comes the eastbound local! Wow! Wow, I didn't get that, but the train, he blew his horn. Man. And then there's the eastbound local bound for Oshawa. And that was an express. That was an express heading from Stouffville. Oh, I thought that one was stopping. I guess that was from Stouffville. Wrapped car. 612. New cab car in the end. Wow, 2 original cars connected. .315. And eastbound local leaving. And there's another train coming. Another train? I think I see a train down there. .316, never mind. I thought it was 315. But it does look like there is another train on the move. And I believe that's a go. 612, 316. I saw that one on a Stouffville Express route. On YouTube, in one of the Railfans videos. Go train coming. I'm guessing it's a Stouffville Express, and so that was a local. Yep, MP40PH3C. Express. Eastbound Express, Stouffville, go train. .354. Westbound GO train coming in. New cab car. Westbound.
recognize that sound.
326.
Westbound passengers, this is the Northern Delay 556 train. Just a reminder that this train will make all stops in Aldershot. Once again, this is the Delay 556 train now boarding on track 1 and will make all stops into Aldershot.
Good new 326. And here goes 326. All right. Twenty-two, 27. More. 662. Eastbound coming. There's eastbound on the way. Via double header. 6435 and 915.